So based on the functions of the neurons, there are three different types of the neurons. Here you can see these three different types of the neurons. The sensory neurons, which are responsible for receiving the signal from the receptors or other neurons and then passing on, transmitting it to the other end and to the next neuron. These are called sensory neurons. The second one is called the motor neuron, which are mostly have their cell bodies present in the central nervous system or in the vertebral column, and they transmit the message into one direction towards the effectors or muscles. Right, and third one are the interneurons, which are very short neurons, which have the small processes on the both ends, the dendrites and the axons, and their function is only to connect these two types or any two types of the neurons. Right.